Sir, I would like to ask few questions to Honorable Minister for Minority Welfare, sir. Sir, first and foremost, sir, for the question B, the question was whether it is also a fact that the state government has not initiated action to issue Gazette notification for the second survey of land. For the reply and answer was no, sir. Sir, the C question is, if so, the steps taken by the government to issue Gazette notification for the second survey of Waqf lands in Telangana. Honorable Minister Saab says does not arise. Sir, why I say this, sir? I would like to just brief. Sir, the Survey Commissioner Waqf has to conduct the survey of all Waqf properties of the state and should prepare the list and should submit the same to the government as 1 of Central Waqf Act 1995. The government, after receiving the second survey report from the Survey Commissioner of Waqf under Section 4 of 3 of Waqf Act 1995, shall forward a copy to the Waqf Board, and the Waqf Board, after receiving the survey report from the government, shall examine it and publish an official gazette. This is under Section 5 of 2, sir, of the Waqf Act 1995. Moreover, all the entries which have been made in second survey report of Waqf are in official capacity, supported by valid legal documents, and this office is standing with the claim and such as the question of an have been asked, sir, and the reply given is does not arise. How can it be, sir? Sir, एक कायदा है, एक कानून है जो मैं आपको पढ़ के सुनाया, इसके हिसाब से ये प्रोसीजर को अडॉप्ट करना पड़ता है और प्रोसीजर को अडॉप्ट करके आपको नोटिफाई करना पड़ता है, और मिनिस्टर साहब बोल रहे डज नॉट अराइज। सर, इसी वजह से वक्फ प्रॉपर्टीज तबाह हो रही हैं, बर्बाद हो रही हैं, सर। कोई पुरसाने हाल नहीं है, सर। सर, I would like to ask few more questions, sir. The first question is, in the second survey, I would like to know as to total how many Waqf institutions were visited and inspected. 1, sir. Second question, how many acres of land was identified in the second survey of Waqf land? Third question, sir, what are the documents verified and supported in the claim for Waqf land, sir, to be Waqf land, sir, by the Waqf Board? Sir, I would also like to know, sir, the fourth question, the signature of MRO is compulsory on the survey reports of the second survey of Waqf lands or not? Sir, fifth question, till date, how many second survey Waqf institutions land files were cleared and pending with the Revenue Department, sir? Sir, I would also like to know what are the reasons the government has not taken any process to notify Gazette the second survey, the land which were identified in the second survey, sir. Sir, I would like to have a specific answers for this question, sir. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, ये हो रहा ये साहब कि ये अब आप देखिए सर, ये रिपोर्ट 2014 में दी गई, सर। 2014 से लेके 2020 आ गया साहब। रिपोर्ट देने के बाद the due procedure is the Waqf Board's employee should go verify, reconcile with the Revenue Department, then give it to the government. Government has to issue a notification, and if any objection comes and no objection comes, then the Gazette has to be published. Once the Gazette is published, there is a specific time period where anyone can go and challenge. If the Gazette is not challenged in a specific period of time, then it cannot be challenged again. अब हो रहा है साहब, ये लोग ये प्रोसेस नहीं कर रहे हैं, गजीट नहीं छाप रहे हैं, सेकंड सर्वे में वक्फ लैंड होने के बावजूद भी लीगली वी कैन नॉट फाइट द बैटल, वी आर लूजिंग द बैटल एंड वी लूजिंग द लैंड, सर। तो ये इसलिए मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा स्पीकर साहब, मिनिस्टर साहब को पूरे स्पेसिफिक आंसर्स दीजिए और इस पे जो भी कार्रवाई करना है जल्दी करिए, वक्फ लैंड को बचाइए।